Hi, I am now talking to the disturber. Disturber. Okay. Don't tell the medium mover, but your job is more technically demanding and probably more important. But don't say anything. All right. The first thing you want to do is you want to make a line right down the middle of your paper for 3 or 4 panels. 3 or 4 panels. These things are like old-fashioned computer paper. So, what the heck? Let's make it like 4 to 5 panels. Okay? And this is going to basically represent the rest position of the disturber. So I guess you're going to be disturbing the disturber. But anyway, okay, so there we go. Now, then what you're going to do is, we won't have all this mess here. So we'll start over here. And you want to pick a point on the meter stick that is, some nice, easily... Oh, can you see? Yeah, you can. So I'm picking 50. Okay. Then what you want to do is you're going to have, basically you're going to vary the amplitude of your disturbance. I want you to imagine this is a spring mass. So you are going to pretend, to be a spring mass oscillator. Okay, and you're going to pretend, so you're the oscillator. We're going to attach a Sharpie to you. And so you're basically going to oscillate back and forth. So this represents the position when the spring mass oscillator is at its normal or rest position. And we're going to try different amplitudes. So I think in the heat of battle, it might be hard for you to kind of keep looking at this. So at a glance, you can say, let's do 5. Let's do 5. Okay, so I want to do an amplitude of 5 centimeters. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to try to mimic a spring mass oscillator by basically going up. Oh, get away from there. Going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. Try to do it rhythmically, pretending like you're an oscillator, not like like a nice flowing, like that. You'll notice that your disturbance isn't going anywhere because the paper's not moving. But so imagine that you're going to do this as the medium is moving away. So what I want you to do is I want you to vary the amplitude. And you're going to do like anything, but at least 3. Something like 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters, something like that, okay? Then, and do that for a given frequency. You'll have to decide that, okay? You can do it at 1 beat per second. You can go along with the metronome if you want. So that's what you could do. Your choice. You can do it with the beat of the metronome, or you can do it on your own. But of course, it needs to be a constant frequency. Can't be changing it in the middle of a trial. Then what you're going to do is you're going to, we'll just go ahead and keep amplitude constant. So pick one that you like 10 centimeters. And then you're going to vary the frequency. And so so this is number 1. Vary the amplitude for a given frequency. And maybe you're going to make this like 1 hertz if you want. Number 2. So you're going to do about 3 trials here. You're going to do about 3 more trials here because you're going to keep the amplitude constant. And you're going to vary the frequency. So maybe, we've already done the 1 hertz. So let's do 2 hertz and 4 hertz and 6 hertz or something like that. I'll give you can have, I will give you the freedom to pick the frequencies you want. And the idea is like, so you're basically moving your hand back and forth in a pendulum-like or a spring mass oscillator kind of motion at different frequencies. It might take a little bit of practice. Okay, and then what you're going to end up with is you're going to have 6 graphs for your group. Okay, that's it. Morning, Sean. Okay. The end. Cut.